Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to reset the Instagram Explore page. Maybe you don't like content that show in your Explore page. This is some ways you can do. First of all, come to your profile page and click on the three lines. Scroll down until you see content preference. In this section, click interested. Make sure content that you don't want to see on your Explore page is not here because it will influence it. Then go into not interested, and if there's content that you don't want to see, it can be super useful. Then go to specific words and press, and if there's stuff you don't want to be seeing on your explore page, type in here. You also to change political content as well. And next thing you can do is come back to your main settings, scroll up into your activity and scroll down here, click on recent searches and click on clear all because Instagram may recommend content which you have searched before. Now you can come to explore page, and what's definitely worth doing is scrolling through here and liking posts that you want to see more and click not interested which you want to go and see less, and keep refresh it until your explore page turn good to you. That's all. Thanks for watching.